Has anybody have done a workshop where you did a co-presentation? Basically, you did a workshop with somebody else, not someone else in your own facility, but someone else outside. Has anyone done that? I know Zach has. Dree,
Yeah.
Erica, Joe. Tell me about that. Erica, tell me about that workshop.
Well, I found it helpful because like we can market it amongst our own email list, but then the other provider can, and it also can draw more people. Some people might come to hear what I have to say, and they, might learn something about this other provider that's involved, and vice versa. So it can cast a wider net, essentially.
Yes.
Am I frozen?
Yes, you are frozen. But yes, as in exactly what you said. When you connect with someone else, you're not only promoting and providing value to your audience and your sphere of influence, you now create a product, so to speak. You're not selling it, but you still have this product that actually goes to their list. Now, what are the chances of their list connecting with you? Whether they're coming to the workshop itself, or maybe they're checking out your website. Maybe they're registering for the workshop, but they don't show. What is that marketing term? What is that called? When someone connects into your world with their name and email. It's basic for some, not basic for others. It is called a lead. And without leads, we have no future patients. Now, a lot of leads come to your office directly from a doctor. Doctor sends you, they're a lead that turns into a prospect, that turns into a new patient, all in one swoop. But we know the more leads we have, not everyone is ready to come and utilize your services right now, but it doesn't mean they're not going to be ready at some point.